Hello beautiful people of the universe! Welcome back to my channel. I am going to share with you another food that you can try here in South Korea.
All about me, all about me, all about me, yeah.
어디냐?
I'm so hungry. We need to eat now.
여기
Today, we are going to eat Yanggochi. And we are going to eat in this restaurant. Lamb curl.
안녕하세요. 저희 두 명이야. Lamb Yanggochi. This is original and this is spicy. Garlic.
Okay, let's have that one. Choose another one.
이거 스파이시 원. 이거.
알았어.
Wow.
Yanggochi, meaning lamb skewers, are cubes of skewered lamb barbecued at a table over hot coals. These are the seasonings of lamb skewers: mustard, salt, red pepper, and cumin. I think this is my fourth time or fifth time to try this food. I really recommend this to you. You can choose a restaurant that has an automatic griller. You just need to sit back and wait for you to eat the yummy lamb meat. 맛있겠다. Really yummy, delicious. This machine is automatically rotating the skewers.
Wow.
If it's cooked already, you have to put it here. So I'm gonna okay. And
맛있어?
chewy, yeah, really yummy. The taste of lamb meat is really different from pork belly and beef. By the way, what I ate is original flavor, and now I'm going to try the marinated one. Where's the marinated one? This one? This is the marinated one. Really good, but spicy. I cannot explain how I feel right now, but it's really good.
Hello, beautiful people of universe. I will try this soy sauce. Oh, so juicy. This one. Nice, nice. Juicy, juicy.
Oppa, is this a spicy one?
No,
Original one.
spicy.
Original.
짜잔.
If you come to South Korea, you will see this kind of restaurant everywhere. In the Philippines and in Thailand, where I used to live before, couldn't find lamb meat like this.
In fact, we don't eat lamb meat. Historically, there is Korean Chinese, they have to make money, so they start this business, lamb meat.
Actually, this is a Chinese food, right? But what Oppa said historically, Chinese came here and started this kind of business.
Yes.
So Koreans started eating lamb meat. And it's quite famous here, right? Eating lamb meat.
맛있어. 맛있어요.
So yummy-licious. I haven't tried this one.
Lamb meat is so unique in Korea.
But in the Philippines, we don't eat lamb like this.
I know Filipinos. Also, you guys love pork. Pork and chicken.
It's just yummy. The sauce is just sweet.
Pork and chicken.
Yummy. The sauce is sweet. Is it spicy, this one? The chili?
Not very spicy. It's
Okay, let me try. Oppa! Oppa! You said it's not spicy, it's spicy!
Kumusta? Most of subscriber wants to know about YouTuber channel.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you a little story about myself. Because Oppa encouraged me to say something about myself, my life. While I'm doing that, I'm going to eat. To those people who don't know me, I am Carmi, but you can call me Mimi.
I like Mimi.
I am from the beautiful country of the Philippines. But in year 2014 or 15, I moved to Thailand. I worked and lived in Thailand for 6 years. I already have a lot of memories there. So I won't forget my second home, Thailand. I miss you, Thailand. Sawadee ka. June 30 last year, I left Thailand and came here to South Korea. Oppa and I decided to move here in South Korea. Since March, I am jobless. Until now, I don't have a job. I really want to work because I really miss working. I really miss earning money. But I cannot do it now because of my visa. I need to change first my visa so that I could work here in Korea. But I need to go back to the Philippines to change my visa. I cannot change my visa here. It's really hard to go back to the Philippines because my flight is always canceled. So every 2 months I have to do extension here. I hope everything will be fine now, and we all wish for the COVID to be over. Please, virus, stop now. I really want to change my visa, but I couldn't. I really need a job because Oppa is the only one who is working, and I think it's not really enough. So I really need to work. I don't want to make a long story about myself because I don't know if you are interested about me. But if you are interested about me, if you have any question, you can comment down below. Hanuman. Eat once. Two left. Which one is not spicy here? Is it original? I cannot tell.
Maybe both. Maybe both are original one. Normal spicy one.
Correct? And bouquet?
Little bit.
Why a little bit? Still worried about money.
Because still not clear our life.
Don't worry. Be happy. Life is hard, but life is beautiful. No matter what, just keep going with your life. Last one. Yay! We're done eating. And we had how many sticks? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yeah, I'm right.
26. Yeah, you're right. Cheers.
Mahal kita kayo.
Mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ko kayo.
I love you all. That's the meaning. Oppa is saying that he loves you all. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated to my videos. Spread love and not hate.